Well, today is me and my wife's 14th wedding anniversary. You know what she asked me for? Her very own pistol. So we ran on down to Academy Sports today, let her pick out whatever pistol she wanted. She ended up selecting this Taurus G2C 9mm compact. Very nice gun, feels so good in my hands. It's nice and lightweight, holds 12, exactly what she needed. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead and get this bad boy broken down. We're gonna get it all lubed up, get it ready for the shooting range. It is a brand new pistol, just pulled it out of the box. Looks like it's just a little bit dry. So we want to make sure she's running real smooth and my wife can really get out there and feel the power in her hands. So let's get to it. We got our Taurus fully disassembled. We got the barrel out. We've got everything separated here. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and spray some of this CLP, this cleaner, lubricant, and preservative. Really good stuff, break-free, good brand. I like to just spray a lot of that in there and let it soak in for a good 10-15 minutes and then go through and start doing my cleaning. So let's get to it. So as you can see, the Taurus G2C 9mm is a very easy gun to dismantle and put back together. We've got it all done now. She's all lubed up, she's shining. Now we just gotta let all that seep in. This bad boy is ready for the range. So let's put our clip back in and get it ready to go. I appreciate you folks watching today. So like, subscribe, follow, whatever it is you do, make sure you do it. And we'll see you next time.